Ieri chiudete tra professioni e tam. Welcome to Schneider so and it was Mr. John Aguero.
A lot of curious minds here in this room.
Past knowledge is not enough. We all need to learn, evolve, adapt.
The origin of the word cancel is not something that destroys you. It's something that gives you a new phase, clears, takes away what you have done before, because maybe you could have done it even much better. And
ideas cannot lead actually to a result, but execution can really lead to a result. But do not hesitate and go for execution.
Share my strong belief that the question is a very strong and powerful tool. It is our talent, and it will bring us to the absolute success if used properly and in a constructive way.